Hey everybody, this is Caleb with Common Motor, and today we're going to show you how to change the oil on your CB175, CL175, SL175, CB200, or CL200. Let's get started. For this family of motorcycles, you should be changing your oil every 1,500 miles or 2,400 kilometers. On every other oil change, you need to also be cleaning out the oil filter. Be sure to check out our oil filter cleanout videos up in the top right corner if you want to learn how to do that. Begin by sliding an oil catch pan underneath your motorcycle. You could find your oil drain plug right here. Drain plugs can be tough to remove, so play it safe by using a breaker bar to break the bolt loose. Make sure you turn the plug in the right direction, because if you strip out the threads, you're going to wish you hadn't. Once the plug is broken loose, unscrew it the rest of the way and let your oil drain into the catch container. Go ahead and inspect the oil for debris or metal pieces, as those can be a good indicator of issues with your motorcycle engine. If your oil smells like gas or it's thin, you may have an issue with your carburetor overflowing gas into the engine. Kick over the engine a few times after to make sure you have all of the remaining oil out. Now that your oil's out of the engine, take the opportunity to inspect your drain plug for damage on the threads or the head of the drain plug. If it's looking rough, go ahead and replace your drain plug. We offer two awesome options, a stock replacement drain plug and our black hole drain plug. Reinstall your drain plug and snug it down. Be sure not to over tighten it. If you're working on a CB175, CL175, or SL175, be sure to use 1.5 liters or 1.6 quarts of oil in your engine. If you're working in a CB200 or CL200, use 1.7 liters or 1.8 quarts of oil in your engine. The Honda service manual calls for 10W40 oil, but over here at Common Motor, we like to use the 15W40 diesel truck mineral oil. The extra additives of the diesel truck mineral oil are great for your old engine. We also add 2 ounces of zinc additive anytime we're doing an oil change for the same reasons. When you think you're getting close, it's time to check your dipstick. To check the oil level, unscrew the dipstick, wipe it off, and set it back in the engine casing. Don't screw it all the way back in. Remove the dipstick, and now you can check your oil level. If you're at full, you'll be at the top line of your dipstick. If you're any less than that, make sure to add a little bit more. Once you're full, return the dipstick to the engine and screw it all the way in. You've now changed the oil on your Honda CB175 and CB200. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our newsletter over at common-motor.com, and subscribe to this YouTube channel right down below.